usually slows during the Thanksgiving week, but the number of new contracts was at the lowest level since the end of 2019. Is this a prediction of how the rest of 2022 will pan out? It's Friday, December 2nd, 2022. I'm Kimberly Barton of Kinetic Realty, your local market expert with this week's Maryland Market Minute. You need to know what the local market is doing, so be sure to subscribe for weekly updates. Inventory isn't gaining many new listings to the market either. Overall listing activity fell more than 40% compared to just 1 week ago. Plus, those sellers on the market are starting to realize that the market shift actually does affect them. More than 40% of the listings on the market made pricing adjustments. Buyer showings are down almost 40% too. Over the past week, 859 homes were listed for sale, down almost half from just 1 month ago. 551 homes are coming soon, falling again this report. 464 went under contract and 569 moved to pending. 977 sold in 14 days at 99.8% list to sold ratio. The highest priced home was in Silver Spring for $4,680,000. Rentals rose to 2,146 from last week at an average of $23.50 per month and days rising to 31 days. This rental price has been consistent over the past several weeks. This may indicate a slowing of the rising rental rates. So, good news. There is a lot of noise out there. So if you need clarification, I can provide you with the facts, data, the information to bring context to it for you. So let's talk. That's a wrap for this week's Maryland Market Minute for December 2nd, 2022. Thanks for tuning in. Until next week, stay safe.